Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about equations in Microsoft Word. So to start with, we'll go to the Insert tab and Insert Equation. Now you might notice that on my Home tab, I have this equation icon, yet by default, this doesn't come in Office. I've added it later. So for now, let's go to the Insert tab and choose Equation. Now if we click on the equation symbol, which is the pi, we'll go directly into the equation design and we can start typing our equation. Yet, if we undo this and we go to Insert Equation, we have the option to click on the drop-down arrow, and from here we can choose some known equations. For example, we can insert a Fourier series directly, like this. Also, if we go to Insert again and Equation, we click on the drop-down arrow, we can choose more equations from Office.com. This will take some time to load the first time, and you'll find other common equations here. So there's no need to type the common equations, you can directly insert them. So let's go again into Insert Equation, and we'll fill it manually this time. We'll see how we can fill an equation manually. So we'll type Newton's second law, which is F equals ma. Now for F, I want to add a vector symbol, so I can choose the accent here, and I'll choose this accent, which looks like a vector symbol. So, and I can type F inside it. So I'll select this one with the cursor or with the keyboard, F equals M, and again I want the vector symbol A. Let's try another equation, and this time we'll go again to Insert Equation, and we want this symbol. So here we have the symbols. If you can't find this, when you click on the equation, you'll find it. You have the Equation Tools Design tab, and in it you'll find these symbols. So we want this one, and I want the cross symbol. So instead of typing X, which will look wrong, I'll choose this symbol from here, and then add the E, and I'll type E this time just to demonstrate it in another form, and this time I'll select the E and then go to accent and choose the vector symbol. It still works. So we now know two ways to do it: equal, and I'll insert fraction. Again, I can select the first part and the second part. I can navigate between parts of my equation using the arrows, the keyboard arrows as well. So I can use the up, down in a fraction. I can use the left, right. So I have a minus sign here, and the B, and again I'll select the B alone and go to accent and choose this over DT. Let's try another form of equations. So this is a nuclear reaction equation, and I'll go to Insert Equation, and here I need to use a script. So I'll go to Script and I'll choose this one, and again I'll type the symbol. I can navigate between them. So this is 25, this is 12, I'll choose this again. So now by default the text that I'm entering is in italics. I want an arrow, so this is an arrow. Again, I've typed H, I'll select it and go to Script, convert it to a script. Again, AL, and I'll convert it to a script. So we saw two ways to enter scripts. I've navigated here using the arrows. Now, these are in italics. I don't want them in italics. I can go to the Home tab and remove the italics. Note that you have access to the Greek symbols as well. So in the equation tools design, you can click on this arrow and you'll find alpha, beta, gamma. Now we've covered the basics of inserting equations. We have other things to explore. We can select the equation, click on this drop-down arrow, or go to Equation Tools Design and find these. They're the same, so we can convert it to linear. So this is a linear form of the equation. Again, I'll convert this one to linear. So this is its linear form, and I can revert it to professional. That was it for today. Thanks for watching.